And we do anticipate a few breaks of sun this afternoon, but generally speaking, it's a relatively cloudy end to your weekend. Let's give you another look live outside now, where we are below the cloud deck, so things look a slight bit better. Cloudy and drizzly out there, 70 degrees. We have your headlines here. First and foremost, we do anticipate some brightening in your Sunday forecast. However, there is an afternoon chance, about a 30% chance of a shower or storm between the hours of, say, 3 and 9. Moving ahead, it's going to be an especially warm week. Today, we push toward 80, back to 70 tomorrow, but then the numbers rebound right back into the upper 70s and sticky. So it will be very reminiscent of late summer later on this week. As we look at the year, well, it's been a soggy one. You know that. We're running a deficit, or excuse me, a surplus of over 10 inches. And the reason we bring this up is because there is the potential later this week for some tropical rain to move on through. It will be on Friday, and we'll be keeping a close watch, but we also have several opportunities for wet weather in this extended forecast. Certainly not a dry and sunny stretch at all. As we look at the vortex satellite and radar picture, low clouds are challenging to see. One spotty shower still making progress toward Orient Point. Might get a little bit of wet weather there. Otherwise, it's misty out there this morning with the possibility of showers and storms this afternoon and this evening, courtesy of this cold front out here, which sinks to the south today, lifts back to the north tomorrow, hence the clouds really reigning supreme in the long forecast here. As we look hour by hour, winds today out of the southwest. The clouds are still tight this morning with drizzle, but by this afternoon, we do anticipate some breaks in the clouds, especially for inland New Jersey. But then you see here 3 o'clock, that front gets closer to us and begins triggering some showers and maybe a storm as we head toward the evening hours. Tomorrow, it's cloudy, it's drizzly. It's very similar to yesterday. Occasional showers as well with cooler temperatures again for your Columbus Day. Now let's get a check on the tropics. This is the system that has the potential to impact us late in the week. Right now it's Tropical Depression 14, but the anticipation is it becomes Hurricane Michael as we move into the Monday through Friday scenario. So take a look. Winds right now sustained at 35 miles per hour. It's just off the Yucatan. The forecasted track has it moving generally north, heading toward the Gulf Coast, making landfall as a Cat 1 hurricane, Hurricane Michael, sometime Wednesday, and then it will make its way overland. The driving force, once it is overland, the steering factor, if you will, is a cold front crossing the continental U.S. Depending on the timing of this front will dictate whether or not this storm moves out to sea before it gets to us, or does it trail up and over us. Again, Friday would be the time frame to potentially see tropical rains from Michael. We'll keep you posted. 80 degrees today, certainly much warmer than yesterday. Yesterday it was 67. Cloudy this morning, a few breaks this afternoon, late shower or storm. Overnight lows will be mild again, mainly 60s out there. Cloudy skies, mist, drizzle, patchy fog to start your day tomorrow. Cooler right around 70 in the city. Cloudy tomorrow, mist, drizzle, and showers. Tuesday, we warm back up to the upper 70s, and we will see a humid blend out there of clouds and sun. For your Wednesday, it's 79 degrees and partly cloudy. Thursday, unsettled, 76 with muggy conditions, stormy conditions. Friday, up in the air, if you will. I expect wet weather regardless of whether or not it's tropical in nature, but it could be, which means a big add to the surplus here at home. Next weekend, I'm still fingers crossed that we're going to have a phenomenal fall weekend next weekend.
So we'll think about that when it's the hot and humid.
That's right. Very sticky.
Okay.
Moving forward.
Yeah. Thanks, Vanessa.